We track moisture content, we track wood temperature, lumber temperature, glue temperature.
What is a differentiator for us is we're vertically integrated down in the South. We've been able to grow our business, and we've been able to help architects, developers, and really that southern growth. Our clients that come to us are mostly focused on the architect trying to understand what our product offering is or how that will fit into their building. And then the developer. We've seen a lot of developers get into the landscape of picking that material supplier to reduce risk. Really relationship based between the architect, the developer. We do a lot of open quotes with and bids for open projects where that's already figured out and they just pick a GC, and then we're a material supplier. So in all different facets of the AEC community, we're working with everyone, big and small.
We own the design, we own the quality of all the products that we're selling in a complete building. Because we own all of the manufacturing for all of the mass timber products that go into a building, I think it makes it easier for your outside architect or designer to come to us and go, hey, give me the full spectrum of the project. If they have to go to company X to buy your glue lam, and company Y to manufacture your glue lam, and company Z to go and do your CLT, that just adds time, it adds opportunity for missed communication, missed design parameters, things like that. Now you got to put 3 or 4 different companies together, and they all have to talk together, and they all have to come together and fit. Whereas if you have one single company manufacturing, we know what the system's supposed to look like. Broad idea of quality is that we are creating a product that the market expects to get. We track moisture content, we track wood temperature, lumber temperature, glue temperature. Basically what we've done is applied more force on this than any force that could be applied inside any environment that you would put CLT in, right? And he's built out basically a statistical regression analysis where we can tell you what's going to happen to the product. We can go back through traceability, and we can look at everything from wood lots to fiber source to quality control testing all the way through.
Well, we're taking over the South. Southern yellow pine is, we've completed probably 90%, just off the top of my head, of southern yellow pine projects in the whole East Coast, South, Midwest region. Part of what is a differentiator for us is we're vertically integrated down in the South with some of our lumber mills and investors. And they've been able to help kind of prop us up, get us the right stick. We've been able to grow our business, and we've been able to help architects, developers, and really that southern growth. So projects in Miami, big projects in Atlanta. We've got big projects up in the East Coast, in New York and Baltimore and Boston. Now as we move into Columbia Falls and the Northwest market and kind of the Intermountain market, there's a lot of competition. Portland, Seattle, California is going to be our big market. I think everybody's hooked on California. Denver, Salt Lake, and Texas. And then in our backyard, we're doing a project in Bozeman. They're focused on mass timber, and they want the local story.